All right, Rob Frazier here. This video talking about my capture page and my capture page marketing machine. So here on the screen you see my capture page online marketing machine, and then my other video, my capture page, sort of a review for 2021. Right now it's 2023, June 12th. So a few things, and also before I get into it, the only reason some of these programs have changed is just because of my own issues with some of these programs. So in the past, I had this thing, my capture page marketing machine. So I had multiple income funnel, my capture page, MLM leads. It was all M's, and it was just you would buy traffic from MLM leads, send it to your my capture page, and then promote the multiple income funnel. The only problem I had with the multiple income funnel is one of the income streams, Easy or E1U Life, they are heavily pushing that you use Stripe to process payments. And Stripe is one of those merchant accounts that if they don't like what you're doing, they're going to shut you down. They're a merchant account that does not want to be a merchant account. And because of that, I was just like, well, it doesn't necessarily make sense for me to promote the multiple income funnel because I can't participate in all of the income streams. Pretty much just a second income stream, but it was a big income stream with that system. Multiple income funnel does have TextBot, which is still a part of what I'm doing now, and it ties in with the my capture page marketing machine. Just a couple little things shifting here and there that just maybe decide to kind of switch up the programs. In the past, I was using my capture page to promote Exodus Elite. Had a few issues there as well. Not updating the products. Just a number of other stuff I'm not really going to get into now. So, swapped that out. So basically, we took out multiple income funnel. We took out the Exodus Elite. And just diving right into it. My capture page, I'm not really going to get into a review of my capture page because I'm going to link one of my previous reviews underneath this video. What I will say is that something that's highly annoying, and the guy probably did it because I was doing it. When you generate leads for my capture page, you can email your own leads, whatever it is you want to email them. So the guy in my capture page changed to where you can generate leads in their system, but you can no longer send out a broadcast to those leads. And he was saying some stuff like, let me just go in here. Also, I still recommend my capture page. I don't even think he even has the link back here to send a broadcast anymore. Basically, he had a link saying people were abusing the system. What I was doing was I was logging in every 5 days and emailing my leads that I generated in your my capture page system, if you're watching, a different program. And that's just how email marketing goes. And the guy said something about people would forget or something. I don't know. I wish I could pull up exactly what he said, but long story short, you can't broadcast to your leads that you generate through my capture page anymore. Annoying, yes. Do I still recommend the system? Yes. But that part's annoying. I don't get it. You generate leads for whatever program. People get 10,000 emails a day about any sorts of other things, and it's like, some people won't join one program, but they will join another. And that has happened to me multiple times. I've had people on my email list. Hey, Rob, you've been emailing about this one program here. I never really liked it. But this other program you just emailed me about today, I like it. I'm going to join that. And that's just how it works. You build a relationship with your leads, and then you can email them whatever you want. You can have a different program every single day. But anyways, trying to get off of that. The way I do, there is a workaround, and which that leads into the whole My Capture Page marketing machine. My Capture Page marketing machine, the programs: Digital Wealth Pros, number 1; TextBot, number 2; My Software Business. Number 3, Internet Income System, which basically ties in TextBot and My Software Business, but it's a separate angle. So income stream number 4. And lastly, MLM Leads, income stream number 5. So 5 programs, but they all work together. The Internet Income System, created by Jeff Long, ties in TextBot and ties in My Software Business. And what he has created is a social media artificial intelligence method of always having content to post on your social media, generating leads off of social media, and a number of different things. I'm not really going to get into that, but basically the Internet Income System, TextBot, and My Software Business is a lead generation, artificial intelligence, content creation, and it also has a social media post planner. So like Hootsuite, Buffer, any of these types of programs, you can go into the system, create social media posts using artificial intelligence, if in case you're having some mental problems like I have had recently because of life events. And you can schedule your social media posts. You can create your social media posts. But also, through the My Software Business portion, you can upload lists of leads that you generate, and you can send text through that system and emails through that system. So what I do, I go to MLM Leads. I send traffic to this capture page. I generate leads. They get on my capture page email list. What do I do with that list? I export the list. I upload it into my automation app. Basically going to edit this little portion out. I take the leads. I upload them into, I download them from my capture page. We call that Excel, CSV file, whatever. I upload them into my Software Business, CRM, whatever you want to call it. And then I can either send out a text if they put their number. I send out an email because they put out their email address. And I can have conversations with these people with an app on my phone. So it's not like I'm stuck to a computer using that. So basically, it all works together. TextBot allows me to promote my capture page offline. I can promote using a phone number. I use the phone number at the bottom of my emails. You know, there's multiple different ways to kind of skin that cat. So basically, that's my capture page marketing machine. And it's also an instant cash strategy because all of the programs, with the exception of My Capture Page and MLM Leads, pay instantly. Digital Wealth Pros, instantly. Internet Income System, instantly. TextBot, instantly. My Software Business, instantly. That's the whole point. The whole point is to generate upfront, right now cash flow, have a specific angle for your marketing. What I use is just the whole instant cash strategy angle. Hey, whatever you're promoting, that's great, but wouldn't you like to get big, giant commissions up front to build your email list and buyers list and then promote your business on the back end instead of being all about, your health and wellness shaky shake or whatever it is you're doing? Not for everybody. That's just the angle I go. So we got the instant cash strategy. We got the artificial intelligence strategy. Hey, if you're struggling with what to post on social media, use our AI tools to help you out. It'll help you identify your target market and speak to them. And if you're like me, or you having issues posting on social media, use that artificial intelligence stuff to come up with 30 days of social media posts, copy and paste, boom, you're done. Or that angle. And it all these programs work together. So that being said, wrapping this video up, if you're interested in My Capture Page Marketing Machine, the link is below in the description. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to take you to this video. You're going to opt in. There's going to be a link in the email that has a link to my blog. And then on my blog, that's where I talk more about how this whole strategy works. Bonuses, trainings, different things like that. And just going to keep it pushing. So do I still recommend My Capture Page? Yes. So my capture page, Digital Wealth Pros, Internet Income System, TechSpot, my software business. MLM Leads is the traffic that fuels it all. Very, very simple, very straightforward, easy plan. And you don't have to join everything right now today. You just join Digital Wealth Pros, work that, get a commission, 50% back in traffic, 50% to get your internet income system going. And then just scale up that way. So coming up with more plans like that in the future. That being said, Rob Fraser here, wrapping this video up. The link is in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.